Privacy issues. Don't look for anything, Kathy. I changed the sand already. Don't look for nothing. I don't have anything there. I changed it. Oh no, the sun's gonna be out again. What's the difference? What do you do, Dookie? The sand. I'm gonna make a little um you better cover that. Last time you left it alone. That's disgusting. That's the sniff too. My clean baby. My clean baby. Good job. I think you done it. It's covered. There's no way somebody can find it. Yep. You can get out now. Good job. Thank you.